Promo code for Duolingo. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to get promo code for Duolingo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you have the Reddit app, open the app or open any browser on your phone and search for Reddit. Open reddit.com. Tap here. Search for Duolingo promo code. Here you will see many posts about Duolingo promo codes and people discussing which code works or not. Tap on any recent post. I am going to open this post. This guy posted a promo code that was working in June. If I see comments, this person says this code doesn't work anymore. So here we have many people discussing which code works or not. So if you find any codes in the comments or in other posts that these people say works and you want to check whether it really works or not, search for Duolingo Redeem. Open this website. Enter the promo code here and tap on redeem. So this is how you can find Duolingo promo codes.